little Daxie. Hello, Jonesy. He's a purry boy. He wants to sit on my lap. Tex is having a little scratch. Go. Love it. Well, they're having a fabulous time with their new toys, as you can see. I should feed them now. They're very hungry boys, and then I will clean their litter because they're very poopy boys. And then I'm gonna clean the house. I don't know what has happened here. This didn't look like that this morning. But I'm gonna clean their bowls as per usual. I've managed to tip it upside down, but they're still playing with it, so Jones, you can tell it's food time. Yes, yes. I'm gonna wipe this down real quick. I'm going to get some tuna, even though they don't love tuna, I've noticed. About to say, when are you going to start meowing? What are you doing? What the heck are you doing? He's very, very hungry. He probably won't even like the tuna. He probably won't even eat it. Tuna. Okay, Jonesy. Food. As we take him down. Come on. There you go. Is he gonna eat it? I think he is. Nice. Dax is very picky, whereas Jonesy pretty much eats anything. And he also tries to eat Dax's food. So I pretty much have to watch them until Dax is finished, and then I try and close these drawers. I thought they would go into these drawers. Well, Dax is eating like that. That's how I was expecting them to eat all the time. But they always eat like this. This is the first time I've seen Dax eating normally. Very smart, Dax. I'm proud of you. He's like the only one that uses the cat water fountain. He's figured out how to eat out of the bowl properly. He's a very smart boy. Jonesy was just about to go over and eat Dax's. He gets like nervous when he looks and sees that Dax is not here. See, he's hasn't even finished his, but he'll go over Dax's. He must be done. You must be finished, Jonesy. You're getting too big. You're getting too fat. Look at that big tail. He's obviously a bit of a bigger cat than Dax, but still. See, he's going off to go do a bog right now. Such a fatty. Dax loves headbands, especially these ones. He loves these ones. Oh, Jonesy's back. How was your poop, Jonesy? He's pooped and he's ready to play. So he brings it back, puts it right next to me, ready to play again. I think before I clean up the house, while I have a moment alone, I'm going to do a little karaoke. I need a Tim Tam. Delish. I'd like to turn this away, kind of put it behind the door or something, because otherwise that's a bit too close and it screams at me. We didn't do any cleaning last night, did we, boy? So today we go to clean up and relax. They always go for the little loading things. Gosh.
I'm not a chef.
Oh, what do we have?
definitely have to change the bedding now. No, Jonesy.